peppery. Yeah, so ready? Yeah, so the man said greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Ali I, King Selassie I the first. This arms to be thing we call what? Crypto Rasta Sessions, live on Metaverse. And you know we're live and direct in Kingston JA, straight from yard. You know the thing got the first NFT for the reggae culture. You understand? So the item check it out with a big respect for all the support, with a big respect for all the energy. Everybody we're tuning in right now. This is a brand new selection. We say rest in power to the man called Lee Scratch. Lee Scratch.
System Master. Yes, Selassie, Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle, William Gordon, Sam.
You know this one schedule before the passing.
Green lion to the black lion and the black lion to the green lion.
So it's a special livication, you know?
No mercy come. No mercy come.
Set it.
Mercy forward to the green lion.
Set it.
We say we not drop the catch. Scratch. Take over.
Man, so when music hits, you feel no pain.
Green grass, green herbs.
My name is Yardcore.
Green love.
For each and everyone who is not familiar,
Green dub. And green rain.
and this is
Green brain.
Lee Scratch Perry, the great creator, the dub inventor alongside
Photosynthesis, alkaline and chlorophyll. Marijuana in my brain, I don't need no pill. Yeah, them a bleed.
alongside the man we call Yard to the core.
Sober still.
How you go?
But the ganja ever take me on a higher height. It make me brain light up just like a firefly. But the split with the ash wet black like a tire eye. Now let it push when the purple like a iodine.
Green gone. Dream come. Green lizard. Green wizard. Yes, Selassie, Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle, William Gordon, Sam Shaw. Fly. To the sky. Fly to the sky. Set to fly. This guy paying I'm ageless. I am ageless. This guy paying killer.
Inside the live crypto rasta session here on Metaverse. You know a verse.
Evil killer. Green goblin dead. Pow. Green lion live. Boom.
As we say, rest in power to the great legendary Lee Scratch Perry. Likewise the legendary Van Benjamin.
Hardcore musicality.
12 in a crucial time, you know. How you go?
I need special world vibes, hardcore musicality. Oh yeah. Jamaica feel it feel. No matter how them tell me about world, this man economy. The morning mist up on the ambient to the oceanic beauty. Let's try to transfer it into our interaction purity. Nature's pristine lost in your eyesight for free. Your core feel it feel. Beer gun route ya in a them urban brutality. Till them no see it as not again them see it as
normality.
I universal world vibes, hardcore musicality. Jamaica feel it feel real. In a heart of technocratic city, in a yard and shanty.
You know where I forget the medicine, right?
Reflections upon the emperor Ivy
Don't feel shy.
Someone made it up.
Wherever you tune in right now, we say light it up.
Maintenance standard of living.
You know why?
Every day you see people doing their routine just to try to be more grounded, well adjusted, and more be free. Some of them are trying to think we stay out of financial difficulty. Make people's situation get a clearance. Downtrodden spirit retain a buoyancy. Oh yeah. I need universal world vibes, hardcore musicality. Jamaica feel it feel real. No matter how them tell me about world, this small economy. The morning mist ya up on the ambient to the oceanic beauty. Let's try to transfer it into our interaction purity. Nature's pristine lost in your eyesight for free. Hardcore musicality.
Sun is shining, the weather is sweet.
Now this is the original Chronics representing the hardcore. Yes.
You're dancing with feet
You know the pandemic.
to the rescue. Here I am.
Yeah, man, we say reggae music, I'm speed healing of the nation from creation. Inside the Crypto Rasta session, how we go?
Sun is shining,
See it there.
the weather is sweet.
Live and direct from Kingston, Jamaica.
Make you want to move. You're dancing with feet to the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know you're where I stand.
Original you like Michael Shamaya inside the area. As a lineage likewise. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Voice of the man we call Robert Nesta Marley. Let's eat.
Monday morning. Here I am. Want you to know just if you can where I stand. Wednesday morning. Tell myself a new day is rising.
New day is rising.
Thursday evening. Get under rise, a new day is dawning. Friday morning. Here I am.
Original style we play. So you see like how the sun has shine. Don't feel like say everything is fine.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Yeah, we're living in it right now.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Yeah, man, the thing called mental slavery, you know.
Do you remember the days of slavery? 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 And the peoples. Do you remember the days of slavery? And the work was so hard. Do you remember the days of slavery? And the users.
Live and direct from the Treetop Studios.
Till they refuse.
Huh. One we call burning to the spear.
Usually pull it, we pull it. We must pull it. With shackles around our necks. Leave me hand, this is so close. Do you remember the days
Yard
of
Corey, my
slavery?
champion.
My brother feels sick.
Lucifer, son of the morning, I'm gonna chase you out of earth. Yard Corey, my champion.
Man say easy squeeze, no makes no riot. Flash it.
So much trouble in the world.
Man say chase the devil.
So much trouble in the world.
As we move and as we groove, think all.
Bless my eyes this morning. The sun is on the rise once again.
Yeah, it's a set now.
We heard the things are going.
Go in.
Anything can happen.
May I tell you where I give thanks to
Been
life.
sailing on their ego trip.
Yeah, man, at the Crypto Rasta session.
Blast off on their spaceship.
You know that.
Miles from reality. No care for you, no care for me. So much trouble in the world. All you gotta do, give a little, take a little, give a little, one more time. Yeah, 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 yeah. So you think you found that solution?
That them say.
Oh, it's just another illusion. So before you check out this time,
Man say united we stand.
don't leave a
Divided we shall fall.
stranded there behind. Yeah. We've got to face the day. Ooh, we come one day. We the street people talking. Yeah, we the people struggling. I don't wanna wait for your love.
Voice of the man we call. Robert Nesta Marley in dub style.
Now greetings to the world vice of the one called Big Gangzilla, you know, a yardcore. And not no fanky about this, you know.
I don't wanna wait in bed.
When music hits, you feel no pain.
I'm still waiting there. Winter is here.
This is the
I'm
original
still
Khalid
waiting there.
Peace.
In a different style.
Major poor blessings in your direction. Hardcore got the girls' attention.
Tell you.
One man in prayer.
Crypto Rasta, I ain't gonna know.
Hear me now. So long he's been waiting to be with you. Oh girl, he's been anticipating. Hardcore girls, the first time we kiss was breathtaking.
When I lie, the mosquito, them a go on.
Hardcore is the biggest selector in the making.
But we still have vibe, you know the Crypto Rasta stay.
I know when we are together, my heart feels so much better.
I don't wanna wait.
Whenever that we make
I'm still waiting there. Winter is here. I'm still waiting there.
it's okay. Keep that precious smile on your face. God will keep you warm and safe. Make it worthwhile. Just
Why is the man we call pressure? Do remember later will be greater sin. Michael Shamaya as a lineage hardcore.
Like I say, give you some love
Now you know from them ask so that's what I say.
Love and hate can never be friends.
Oh, you know what I say?
Oh no.
Now here comes our special request.
When we say hardcore, you know I mean hardcore.
This
But
song
sure they don't say it's a root selector, it's Sizzla Kalonji, right?
Give it a bit. Whichever part in the world you're there right now. You know where I promote the NFT Crypto Rasta vibration, right? Feed you. Yeah, man, when I watch no face, how you go? Wrong thing to do. Don't you bite the ends that feed you. Scoop it up, scoop it up, scoop, scoop it up, scoop, scoop it. You know what that means? Man said don't bite the hands that feed you. Man said don't bite the hands that lead you. What you mean now?
Keep it in the family.
Huh?
Keep it in the family. If we wake up this morning and don't have no tea. If we wake up this morning and don't have
What me do?
keep it in the family. Keep it in the family. If I can't buy a frock or I can't buy a shoes. If I can't buy a frock or I can't buy
Hey Zion.
keep it in the family.
You never know.
Keep it in the family. Don't go and tell Janta. Don't go and tell Sister T. Don't go and tell Tom.
Empress like Sarah Cout.
Keep it in the family.
You know.
Keep it in the family. Keep it in the family.
So what me do?
Keep it in the family.
Original style, you know.
Rocky time. Ooh, yeah.
So like how we keep it in the family. Michael Shamaya as a lineage, you know what go on, right?
Now this is the original Chronics representing for hardcore. Yes.
Voice of the man we call Crown Prince of Reggae Ragga Music, Dennis Brown. Bless you, bless you.
Come let me rock with you.
Can't say you never know.
I want this dance with you. Yeah. Come let us get this song. Yeah. 'Cause I'm feeling the sweat Let me know your name.
I wanna know your name.
And I do the same.
I gonna do the same, girl.
Tell me what are you hungry for? And I soothe your mind, yeah.
Live from Kingston, Jamaica, we play. Point game.
Say we gonna rock it. Oh, we gonna rock it. Whoa, yeah. We're going to rock it. Yeah, we're going to rock it. Whoa, boy. Whoa, yeah.
Rock where rock. Inside. Come in. Yeah, man, tell a friend to tell a friend. NFTs. Crypto Rasta style. Over 16. Come in. Original style as we move and as groove. Flash it. It's the hardcore.
I don't want no ice cream, love, that's too cold for me.
Hey!
I don't want no ice cream, love, that's too cold for me, little girl. I don't want no ice cream, love, girl, can't you see?
Johnny to the Osborne.
I want a love that's warmer than the summer sunshine. I want a love that's as warm as mine. Cause my love is warmer than a chocolate fudge. Because my love is warmer
Yeah,
than
man, the whole world locked into Crypto Rasta right now.
why I don't want no ice cream, love, it is too cold for me.
Yeah.
Radix reggae music. Roots radix.
In a rubber dub style.
Come on.
Yeah, man, me see the eye them, me see the eye them, me see the eye them.
I'm a stranger in your town. I'd like to dance with you.
Come on.
I wanna dance with you.
I'm to be one of my favorite Michael Palmer.
Radix reggae music.
Sounds of the band we call
Reggae music.
Roots Radix. Around the musical station.
I'm a stranger in your town. I'd like to dance with you. Come on, I wanna dance with you.
I to the sweet reggae music. Come on.
No expensive shoes, but I'm still dancing. I'm singing and dancing to the sweet reggae music. Come on. No expensive drink, but I'm still drinking. I'm drinking and dancing to the sweet reggae music. Come on. No expensive clothes, but I'm still dancing. I'm dancing to the music. Sweet reggae music. Come on.
Yeah.
I'm here for pleasure.
I'm Sweet.
I'm dancing.
Sweet reggae music.
Dancing to the sweet reggae music.
Come on. Original. Original.
Oh yeah.
Man says a move. We're in a Kingston, but right now we are Spain Town.
Some call it Spanish Town, a prison oval rock. And some call it Spanish Town, a prison oval rock.
Man called Barnes and Levy.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. What a cool and deadly. Hey. The people are skanking while the daughter them whining. The rude boy them tripping. Ooh, yeah. What a cool and deadly. Yeah. And in the ear that a Jackie fashion. Back out your body that a water pumpy. Wine slowly that a cool and deadly. Move lively that a horseman scaddy. So some call it Spanish Town, but a prison oval rock. Some call it Spanish Town, a prison oval rock. Way, what a cool and deadly. I grew up in a place called
De
over prison, over.
You can't say you never know.
I grew up in a place called NSMC.
Do remember later on will be great Duran. Hanks B as a line is alongside Michael Shamaya. Yeah, Jaman. Born that's how we come. You know, so Anna is a man of a man. Yeah, man, we are represent Kingston, Jamaica. Inside the NFT Crypto Rasta style.
I grew up in a place called De La Vega. Spanish Town rocking over prison over.
Over prison over.
I grew up in a place called Ensom City. Spanish Town grooving. Everybody nice. Spanish Town, me born, that's where me come from. From me looking at my face, you see a De La Vegan. Well, I say Max and Glazer Anti-Federation. Strictly roots and culture play for nice station. Yo, yeah, me Latino youth, them on the money promoter. We are doing this to the dance, done ram ready. Spain Town
original.
And my neighbors
tell us that the mosquito them bad.
To me mama name, Nana Spanish Town original. And my papa name, Kaneka Spanish Town original. And my granny name, Peggy Spanish Town original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. For your grandson, chronic such a field marshal. If I dance at school, we are the principal. And now we are the real microphone officials. Give them a new style. A Sperling in a me goodies, I'm well physical. Well, I'm offering proper chronic microphone official. Me read me Bible every day, and some well biblical. I meditate in the morning, some well spiritual. I said original chronics representing from prison over. Live and direct, hear me now. I grew up in a place called De La Vega. De La Vega. Spanish Town rocking. Over prison over. Yeah. I grew up in a place called Ensom City.
Them for know.
Spanish Town grew.
What is to be will be. It was all written.
Step on this journey where Jah put me. Bully for things my weakness. Negative thoughts and unpure heart I plague with like a sickness. Now the youth them have a eat list for every stall and most business. Helicopters are circle round the area like a frisbee. Unsolved mystery, my dog can't find picnic. Message in the music is the only way to fix it. I say word sound power lift your hand up if you're with me. Now go make them trick quick out but now repeat the history. I say word. Where them I go do when Jah come?
Rise to the Empress Kalila Ike. And this is the remix.
The system
say miss for business. Trick we kill with this, we build. We when them want we vote for women, then them men up me.
See how deep we slipping, you know see we need a fixing machine. Them go end up listen, tell me are you even listening?
The truth is hidden. The truth is that you wash your brain and turn we in a victim and I can't believe this.
Now them can't retrieve it, Lord believe me, help me Jesus, look and see who really feel it.
We that about my prima weed. East and love the people need really me believe people keen to see. Oh no I fumble need for leave. Babylon tumble weak in ease when the secret leak and the system freeze and the nation unbelievably. I'ma say east side so I look to the east. I lucky thing my grow rough.
Lucky thing.
Lucky thing my grow rough. Lucky thing my grow rough. I lucky thing my grow rough.
No way. You know we do the thing different. Crypto Rasta style. Go on.
When me say hardcore, you know I'm real hardcore. For sure, they don't say it's a root selector, it's just a Columbia.
Love for humanity, right? You know, some final little verse. I go. You know, my fight with the vanity, for the cost of humanity. While man I seek up sanity. Yes, I get no more. Original style we play, you know the thing go. My name is Yardcore. For all who don't know, inside the crypto Rasta NFT session, you know the thing go. A positive vibration, right? Is it like lockdown now?
Hardcore is calling. No me giving them a warning.
10 years ago, style, yeah.
From morning, me say me ready for the road. Hardcore on the radio, me ready for the road. We no come for players, so we touch the station. Fire just a blaze, and them nobody know. Hardcore around the place, listen me now. Rebel music on the rhythm.
I chant it.
When them see me near the microphone, them say me on.
Man call.
I meditate by the rivers, Judge a planted.
Yeah, man, come back to the pyramid.
Must perform this. Hardcore I hold the key. If you the on the mic, it's your responsibility to bring the truths and rights of which the youths them got to feel. To reach up to the heights of Rastafari liberty. Send me ready for the road. Hardcore I run the radio.
From them time there. I see. Yeah. In the further on. Yeah. Show me I sing that song in the further on. You know we can squeeze it same way, right? I'm Sabi. Song we call NyQuil. Reach it to the spice. Yeah, to the core.
Plant a acre in Jamaica. Want the best for raw brown paper.
All
Shake
courtesy.
Jamaica.
Man, we call
Then you
Micah
got
Shamaya.
The ganja haters, spliff a light spliff. So do not fight it. This I'm a panel, this I'm a NyQuil. Babylon them shoulda never walk.
I mean, say lock up anyone for just
A little draw, so light it.
Now if you know Richie Spice,
This I'm a panel, this I'm a
you know if
NyQuil.
herbs ever nice.
Babylon them shoulda never walk.
So what you say now, Richie?
They want for just a little draw.
Roll my spliff and then I got to roll another one. These my Charlie's burn the fire upon the Vatican. Can't believe they call the marijuana contraband. They never overstand. But all they tell them it's the healing of the nation. Keep a yard and sweet and meditation. As the preacher teacher, so me roll another one. Yes.
Spliff a light spliff, so do not fight it. This I'm a panadol, this I'm a NyQuil. Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone for just a little draw, so light it. Do not fight it. This I'm a panadol, this I'm a NyQuil. Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone for just
So like how we dip on the spliff a light spliff.
Sip up me roots with me chillamping. Sip up me roots with me chillamping. Sip up me roots with me chillamping.
One call Kes Namdi.
Sip up me roots with me chillamping. Babylon has just me up. Can't get no rain in the Georgia. Brother do not make me fire out. Got the chalawa, I leave the heavy load.
Them style, yeah.
Give me sativa, spirulina, and the roots of that me love. I got me love.
Ah, that me love.
Me love, yeah. Ganja will sweet, you will leave you when you're broke and so so. I got me love, yeah. Come from 9 to 5, I'm on a slave, night and day. So when we get a break, I chalice right away. Hard work for minimum wage, at the price we pay. Load the Gucci, burn them dirty ways. And make we sip up me roots with me chillamping. Sip up me roots with me chillamping. Sip up me roots.
Yeah, man, wherever you're in the world now and you light up your spliff.
The teacher said for true, me not teach dreadlocks. Them no one a rasta man in a them school.
I saw it set more time, you know. Think them have a cue up and right go now.
The teacher said for true, me not teach dreadlocks. Them no one a rasta man in a them school.
Them school.
Remove the natty from your head top. Rasta can't learn to go.
Them man right now in a Jamaica same way.
Man, hold on to your culture. Grow your natty and be proud of your roots. Oh God, Babylon, evil agenda. Watch for Babylon, colonial rule.
I tell you.
Can't believe no down a yard, this still a go on. Seems like the mentality not change. Take another well from him farm, put chains on him arm. Then them lock him up and put him in a jail.
And we say,
pinnacle and then them put it up for sale.
only a few more.
3,000 Rasta.
You know we bring cross.
Yeah, must have done.
As a to the lineage.
Why me can't flash me natty where I
Passing through.
yes, still we carry on.
Yeah, man, at the NFT Crypto Rasta session.
They said them want for true with natty dread.
Exclusive.
No one a Rasta man in a them school. Remove the natty from your head, dog. Rasta can't learn the golden rule. Youth man, hold on to your culture. Grow your natty and be proud of your roots. Oh, Babylon, evil agenda.
I know me feel like me I play a brand new tune though.
Rough Kenya, the Africa.
This one, I'm speak forwarding. The 1st of October. Don't be no pushover.
Woke up today and I saw that the sun was shining.
Don't forget Micah, they are same way, you know. You know, say Micah kick it off, you know. See?
I've been here for a minute and I won't go.
This is Massa Man,
I set my mind.
all the way from Germany. Alongside yard to the core.
No way me couldn't stop grind. Like how them can't stop time. Green light alone, me no see no stop sign. Spill the jelly water, me not stop climb. And me not stop rhyme like orange and lime. With the melody, what make you feel like you calm same time.
But you feel high.
That on the weed when me ship on this.
Listen, Jacqueline.
You know the hard money, man, the real time.
Huh.
So all when them tell me self to sing it is a crime. Tell the boss man blind,
Can't lead blind.
Sure as the day, as the sun it a go rise.
October the 1st, check it out.
Promise. Woke up today and I saw that the sun was shining. I set my mind up be good enough. Can't stop grinding. I've been here for a minute and I won't go. I set my mind up be good enough.
Can't stop shining. Yeah, from the sun I shine. You know we're there on the grind. Now this is Crypto Rasta NFT exclusive session. Scene. And you know, a reggae music. Yeah, and at the first crypto NFT for the reggae Rasta culture. You know, see. So, I'm there with my brother same way, alongside my sister same way. But you know them say, Adam forward outer, Eve. So, you know, Micah Shamaya gonna set it and bless it. Right? So without further ado, Micah Shamaya forwarding out to the tribe of Benjamin. Rastafari live, brother. Heights. Give thanks.
Yeah, man. Zion, you good? Yeah, we have to give thanks, you know. Big up the Crypto Rasta initiative. Yeah, we don't find many things in these modern times to connect to, you know, as a Rasta man. So, yeah, man, we have to move through, and these kind of things with brother and sister them are get involved in, you know what I mean? So, and I have to push the strength, and the strength is really needed and due. Saying, so that's bless. Big up Digital Dubs everywhere. You don't know, Yardy.
Blessing of today, Rastafari, they on your dread, they on your dread. Sweet reggae music to my brain, Rastafari, they on your dread, they on your ow. Show my up on the microphone, you know, so Rastafari, they on your dread, they on your dread. Waving the banner, red, green, and gold, they on your dread, they on your ow. Well, Rastafari, they on your. The King of Kings, him and we Father, whoa. Entire live to keep his disorder. Sabra Jacob on King David's tune. Spiritual gain I maintain. Rastafari, they on your dread. They on your dread. The sweetest reggae music to my brain. Rastafari, they on your dread. They on your one step. We flick it back. The roots are come again and teach your people how to act so we born. Slacker, good lyrics burn the tracker. Nutrition for your soul and tell the people say we got love. Rastafari, they on ya. The king of kings, the man we father. And how you live to keep his order. Sabra Jacob on King David's throne. For the blessing of today, Rastafari, they on your dread. They on your dread. The sweetest reggae music to my brain, Rastafari, they on your dread. They on your dread. Dread, 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 dread on ya. Dread on ya. Dread, dread, dread. Dread on ya, dread on ya, yeah. Do it like supposed to be done, you know. Yeah, this one recently released. You know what I mean? Watch out for the visual. Sing. Crypto Rasta, you must be original because you're the first, scene. Watch it! King David killed Goliath with a stone, the original, yeah. I say King David killed Goliath with a stone, the original, yeah. Come on! Original dreadlocks, I tread from when? From when? We're fighting for survival in the bloody system. Come with me. Originally Africa, the plan for the Rasta man. Where we there now? Originally singing songs of truths and rights in Jalan. Can't pay if we sell out. Original the road less travel, yes we know. Say spiritually, yes. The physical temptation, we now make take over, we on and now. Original dreadlocks, I tread from when? From when? We're fighting for survival in the bloody system. Papa, papa, calling our Rakazania. Oh, papa, calling our Rakazania now. Rakazania now. Dina teacher. Papa, calling our Rakazania. Oh, papa, calling our Rakazania now. Oh, yeah, original dread is saying now. Big up to all the massive and crow. Let's fling something now, Yardy. Yeah. I touch it and I move, you know. This is the Crypto Rasta Sound System Session. Sing. Now, man, yo. Big up to all the EDB family. Sing. Rasta sing, yeah. And that's the dread at the control. And this rockers can't stop, it's the beat of your soul. Dreadlocks at the control. And this rockers can't stop, it's the beat of your soul. Give me the microphone, I make my start a Crypto Rasta on the scene, yeah. I said the people, them are rock and come in, yeah. Ow, we're not afraid of demon. No police in the keep them so we sound and try to lock it off. All the promoter and laugh how they dancing some cock. The people that say no way, no how yeah. A rockers come again, Lord. Original rockers, yeah. Come on. Crypto Rastas at the control. And it's the rockers can't stop, it's the beat of his soul. Dread at the control. And it's the rockers can't stop, it's the beat of his soul. So, DJ, Mister, listen to me sound, the bassline you round. Real band rockers knock it in a jam down. And I listen to me sound, we lock the compound. DJ him start DJ, the people get it. Me play rubber dub selection like we they are right down. Channel Ken Boot, and a lot of Dennis Brown. Select the man, you know him no fear I kick down. Yeah, tour around the town. And Lord, I'm missing J. Yeah, you don't know the time is far spent and we have to share the thing, you know, so. You know what I mean? My sister there is a lineage. Burning the flames of Rastafari on this earth, you know what I mean? So. No, man. I have to squeeze in as I know so we can make it moving, you know. Yeah, we give thanks. So last time, bless. Every time. Especially for the energy of my brother Yardcore, you know. Original. Not strange. Yeah! This one for your ganja man, yeah. To get away from the hustle and the bustle in the streets, got to smoke my ancient daily. To the place where my mind and my spiritual will meet, that's where I wanna be. Air is clean, morning dew from rainy season, yes. There I'm gonna be, yes. Yeah, that one you fed the ganja farmer. What? Give thanks, you know. A ganja lady, yeah. To get away from the hustle and the bustle in the streets, got to smoke my ancient daily. To the place where my mind and my spiritual will meet, that's where I wanna be. Air is clean, morning dew from rainy season, yes. There I'm gonna be, yes. Yeah, that one you pay the ganja farmer. The cut of them pan I'm on Ghana. You keep the actions in my brain when in it you feel no pain. Watch me. You never did want the ganja man, the million now legal, well legal. Come on now. Yes, I will give thanks, you know.
Voice of the man we call Micah to the Shamaya inside the NFT Crypto Rasta Sessions. And you know, as a line is there same way, seeing alongside I and I Hardcore for sure. So you know, I have to squeeze off one of my tune them same way. No! Inside the Crypto Rasta Sessions we play. So, as Micah said the first, right? So what that mean? Mr. Me ready now. Everything me will know. From a born man, a real rebel, yo. Set me trend, me could never ever second, no. No, Lord God, me say me ready now. 5 plus 7, no. 12 tribes are dominant. How much selector no see? A DJ same way. What you gonna know? Flash it. Pepper in the time me pass through. Hardcore I sing and the wish I never show. Now every DJ have me song up in a queue. Hardcore I mix it like a idol stew. Them hear my voice and them asking now. Oh, me so clean, oh, me so fresh, oh, me so. And I go YouTube it. You know the thing go regular and a forward soon. Without further ado, as that to the lineage. Forward cross, my sister, cause you know the thing got energy. Strength to strength. No! Flash it.
Check. 3. Big up yourself, Hardcore. Crypto Rasta NFT, first of the culture, you know. We are say welcome. And which part you check in from. My name is Azza Lineage. The only good system is a sound. Drum and bass to make the whole place get around, you know. All sound man, all sound woman stay so. All who hold up the culture. Hardcore, for sure. Micah Shemaya. Yeah. The only good system is a sound. What we tell them, Crypto Rasta? Hey, Crypto Rasta only surrender to the sound system. Positive vibration, we are bring us a win now giving. Turn down system, must be a musical vibes, it a fling. Only surrender to the sound system. Watch your poor rock and sing. Now giving, turn down system. Won't tell them some Crypto Rastas, hey. So, hey, run go pack your dubs, them man thing. You're touring at the place, so you know we vibing. I think him in the rock said they are skanking. The cliff in our mouth, say you know we vibing. I say we warm and we weedy. Making it easy, stepping out of Babylon now also. I mean, say, but that try and figure we out. You'll never pay me. Say you will never defeat Crypto Rasta. Only surrender to the sound system. Good vibration, keep you alive and sing. Now give it the no system. I think of that what we tell them Crypto. Hey, tune in Crypto in the land. Tune in yard core in the land. Tune in Shemaya in the land. Tune in paying respect and homage to the one them who hold up the culture. Hey, make the sound boy. It's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let the champion play. We are go. Weed out. Check 1 3. The only good system is a sound. Crypto Rasta NFT, I make the whole nation get around. My name is Azaline, you know. Checking in with Yard for sure. Where you say one piece of the one, yeah?
So you know the reggae land, right? Reggae this. I mean the reggae that. Reggae on top. January the 19th. Watch how we catch you rhythm now. Hey, as a line, it's a reggae this, reggae that, reggae on top. Reggae can't flop for Mr. Reggae, a fish shot. Them hear the reggae and them sing a one drop. Whole world knows that the reggae can't stop for Mr. Reggae this, reggae that, reggae on top. Reggae can't flop for Mr. Reggae, a fish shot. Them hear the reggae and them sing a one. Whole world knows that the reggae camp. I am the reggae man of me of the vibes. Style and the pattern does rock you all night. Anyway, me step in the world as so the people are cry. The reggae and no reggae could never die. Lord, reggae is a third world thing. Straight from yard we make it first world sing. Originality we never copy. Play the one ya miss a this jockey. Because I reggae this, reggae that, reggae pan. Flashy.
Play. From Willie Clan a grow barefoot out the street. Yard core a make life feel sweet. Sound a string up because a dance a go creep. That in the early parters when it start me a slave. Sound system culture grow me you know. That's why me no fear of every dance and show. The lyrics them clean, watch the rhythm just a flow. Light another year and make me hear on no say. I will say only surrender to the sound system. Crypto Rasta have the vibes and sing. Now giving is out. We say give thanks enough for the culture and all who respect and uphold the culture. Respect every time. Lioness order. Sound system. The only good system is a sound. Crypto Rasta stay so. Lioness order. Kill him with a sound. As we keep it going, you know. Check 1 3. We said the journey may be long. More mic there. Hey. The journey may be long. We up with a sound. Kill them with a sound. Yeah, hey, don't you know that we're not just a talker? We No trust no win, no trust no dog, we no barker. Smiling at the day about them a devil in a the darker. Baby them reveal them have no love in at them heart. I me say watch the road whenever you a walker. Them no know what them no know what them no know the offer. Boom shakalak, me say we give them heart attacker. The plate a kick like a rock foot. Hey, the journey. Think all the journey may be long. We a go kill them with a sound. Kill them with a sound. Hey, won't tell them. Destined for greatness, so we now go fight. Keep up the vibes when you go stay in the light. Say we no watch face and we no care about size. Making music move, you know we going for the prize. I mean say what you gonna do? No for them, no for them, no for them, not true. When inspiration call, you better stay true. Music on me gun and it's a powerful tool. Don't you know that we not just attack. Lineage, family, not just after dark. Smiling at the day, some of them are devil in the dark. Yardcore, knock up out, finish where you. I miss a journey, maybe long. We are go kill them with a song. We are go kill them with a song. Hey, tell me why you're acting so cool. Self-control are the best control. Music bring vibes and no rock all your soul. Ride up, I say we the pan patrol. And me say what you gonna do? Yardcore with the big sound a come through. Music how we gun and it's a powerful show. In a sound thing, what is to be will be, must be. What is to be will be, must be. Hey, what is to be will be, must be. Hey, what is to be will be, must be. Hey, destined for greatness, so we now go fight. Keep up the vibes, we are go stay in the light. Say we no watch face and nobody care about no size. Don't bother care about no size. Hey, check 1 3 thing call. The journey may be long, you know. Yeah. No winners of war. Crypto Rasta, respect every time. Big up for preserving the culture. First of its kind, NFT. One more Yardcore. Yeah, man. Check 1 3. Thing call is a worldwide cry. Hey, the times are changing, my people, let's live it up. Too many people don't care and some don't give up what. Some people have it and waste and some just need enough. Say what you give is what you get and there is no love. So many nations are fighting for liberty and dreaming of that day when they will be free. And them are doing it in the name of humanity. Interdependence is what we really need. Hey, be forgiven. Worldwide cry. Be forgiven, no winners of war. That's what I've always seen. Hey, no more troops should I leave their family. Some survive but plagued by insanity. Yes, every artist must take responsibility for their rhymes, their metaphors and their similes. Some songs take the youth their morality. Sing to them how great they can really be. Showing them that persistence is the key. What a joy when we live in a harmony. Think all. Hey, be forgiven. Hey, be forgiven. It's a worldwide cry. Be forgiven. Special invocation to the community them over Jamaica. Be forgiven, no winners of war. And that's what I've always seen. Mix the whole wide world want. Speaking for the black, white, and Chinese. Tell Paulette, don't fight against the knees. Tell the world leader, them fi spit justice. When me talk for me people, we have to stay true. We not really like what the leader them a do. No more bombs with this arm every nuke. The people need love and the people need food. Check 1 3 Crypto Rasta think all. Hey, be forgiven. What we tell them hardcore? Be forgiven. Micah Shemaya. Be forgiven. Zion. Think all. There's no winners of war. That's what I've always seen. Again, the whole wide world want peace. Speaking for the black, white, and Chinese. Tell Paulette, send no fight against the knees. Tell the world leader, them fi spit justice. When me talk for me people, me have to stay true. We no really like what the leader them a do. No more bombs with this arm every nuke. The people need love and the people need food. Think I'll be forgiven and now special invocation to all of the communities them over Jamaica. We are going through turmoil, sake of gang violence. Think I'll be forgiven. You hear that? Yeah, poor for sure. Crypto Rasta, give thanks for having me. My name is Azza Lineage Scene. Out of the Lineage family. Yo, Micah Shemaya. Hey. Be forgiven, no winners of war. It's a worldwide cry. A worldwide cry. Give thanks, you know. Hey, he's out. Respect our manners every time. Seen? Yes, I.
Sounds of the Empress we call Azza to the Lineage, live and direct from Kingston, Jamaica, inside the NFT Crypto Rasta Vibration. You know it live and direct on Metaverse. I see like our verse. We're gonna just seal up the session with our next performance, as they would call it. Seeing but I live where I live, because this is life and we love it, you know? Flesh it. So inside the NFT digital dubs now yourself. Seeing? You know the thing. Go. Uh-oh. Lord, them can't say them never know. We're glad for the little exercise, the little workout, you know? How you go? So make me broke it down. Who them a try pop it down? You go on. Shoot a far I me never dumping none. Me spread my wings and then me fly like I was a butterfly. Side them a swat through them think I was a fly. Never turn the other cheek, still you get a blind. And you lucky say me never pray and I like jacket and tie. When me saw me see no jacket can't tie, no jacket can't lie. Tom Dick Harry was the jacket. Hey Micah, you hear me as a Lineage? So how we go? Me said the dread, yes I it dread. Least little thing a man want bust your head. Because it dread, yes I it dread. Don't have a shot, man, me say, go on yo. I miss it dread, yes I it dread. Watch how you step, me say, down and I go zed. So me can share with the eye, them a true story now. Remember the night me dead down attention. Yes. You know the shingo. Crypto Rasta, know yourself. First of its kind, and wearing yourself. My tires. Micah Shemaya, each and every one will tune in. Seeing a perfect love, a perfect joy. We say we're living in a crucial time. Stay hopeful and stay strong. You know why I say that? Because in dread, yes I in dread. Least the cutting a man, one bust your head. Because you dread, yes I in dread. Watch how you step, me say down and I go zed. Because you dread, yes I in dread. Least the cutting, least the cutting. Rastafari live, reign and rule in the heart of all flesh. Flesh it. Yeah, man, it was a pleasure. It was a joy.